Mr. Chair, distinguished delegates and fellow youth delegates, it is an honor for me to be speaking today on behalf of Slovenian youth. Unemployed or employed precariously, addicted to social media, unable to move out of our parents' homes, passive when it comes to politics, highly educated but lacking experience, depressed, burned out, lost in life. These are just some of the issues young people face today in many corners of the world, also in Slovenia. Overall, Slovenian youth shows high satisfaction in life, and we can be proud of that. We can be grateful for our free education on all three levels, our almost non-existent gender pay gap, and our right to drinking water written in our constitution. At the same time, lack of youth participation is truly alarming. Even though we are often seen as passive, we are ready to participate in decision-making processes. We are ready to co-create change, and we are calling for a rise of transparency, responsibility, clear accountability, less bureaucracy, and more action. I believe that these changes and rise of youth participation go hand in hand, and one cannot happen without the other. I also want to touch upon the Sustainable Development Goals. An important but often overlooked is SDG 10, aiming to reduce inequality among countries worldwide. If one dinner tonight here in New York amounts to monthly salary on the other side of the world, how can we sleep calmly at night? If we have UN Youth Delegates program and most of delegates come from Europe, how can we feel good about it? I believe that with the rise of global youth participation, our generation will take global equality seriously. We will not just ask ourselves which country has the highest GDP. We will rather ask ourselves which country does the most good for the world. If that would become the value that drives our society, wouldn't that be amazing? Thank you.